everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial I created this makeup look for you guys, so if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just keep on watching. And if you want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And if you are located in the United States, then go ahead and comment done down below to be automatically entered. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I just used that as a primer, so I just applied it all over my eyelid and then I set everything in place with some translucent powder. The palette that I went in with is the Orange You Glad palette by Colourpop, and this is what it looks like on the inside. I absolutely love this palette. I have already used it on this channel a few times, but I find myself always reaching for it because I just absolutely love it. The first shade that I went in with is Sunkissed, and I just put that in my crease as my transition shade, going in back and forth motions. Next, I went in with a defined angled brush and I picked up the shade Mimosa Mommy, which is like this really vibrant orangey pinky shade. And I just threw that in my crease a little bit above my actual crease so that when I open my eye, it frames my eye socket. And yeah, I just went in back and forth motions. I really like using a defined angled brush because it just helps apply the eyeshadow exactly where you want it, and then I like going in with a fluffier brush with that first transition shade just to blend that line out to make sure that everything is nice and blended. And then I went back into my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I just cleaned up the lid area, and this step is definitely optional. I just absolutely love how it looks. It just looks a lot cleaner and sharp. And then I set that in place with translucent powder, and then I went in with the eyeshadow Tangerine Dreams, and I pretty much put that on the lower half of my eyelid. And you can trace out where you want to apply this shade with a eyeshadow prior to packing it all over the lid. And for glitter, I went in with my Violet Voss Copperella glitter, and I took my NYX glitter glue and I just packed that on top of that Tangerine Dreams shade. And then I just applied some mascara to my lashes, and then for my lashes I went in with our Sophie Bella lashes, and I'll always leave a link in the description box down below for those of you guys that want to check out our company. But today I wore the style Bahama, and this is what it looks like on. And then moving on to the lower lash line, I went in with Sunkissed once again, and I just put that going in back and forth motions just to really warm up the lower lash line. And then I went into Mimosa Mommy again as well, and I mainly focused this shade on the outer edge of the lower lash line. And then the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will be seeing you in the next one. Bye!